So, you want to know what the Illuminati really is? Well then, let me explain. The Illuminati began way back in 1776. If you hadn't have already guessed, 1776 was a leap year. Don't you think that it is a bit suspicious that the Illuminati began on a leap year? That's because it wasn't. If we want to find out when the Illuminati really began, we have to firstly ask ourselves, where is the egg? In egg roll? Wait, I think I see it. Here. Now that we have solved the great mystery of the egg roll, we can now go back to finding out when the Illuminati began. But before doing this, we have to ask ourselves, when was Kim Jong-un actually born? The answer to this can be found on Wikipedia. But before going to Wikipedia and finding this out, we have to understand what the meaning of gravity really is. But no one even knows what gravity is. Is this work of the Illuminati? Well, before knowing if it was, we have to understand what the Illuminati really is. Which then links back to when Kim Jong-un was born. Kim Jong-un was born in 1983. Does this even have anything to do with the origin of the Illuminati? Well, no. It is just some nifty information that may come into use one day. Now, back to the Illuminati. What is the Illuminati, you ask? Well, to know this, I will need to show you an image. This image may be very offensive to some viewers, so close your eyes if you need to. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa, did you catch that? I would have put it on for longer, but it's hard to look at for a long period of time. So then, you want to know how that picture links in with finding out what the Illuminati is. Well, if you didn't see the image, then you won't get any of the following. If the square root of 0 is 0, that must mean that 0 squared also equals 0. But how can this be? I'm guessing this is another act of the Illuminati. But we can just keep going around guessing what the Illuminati has done if we don't even know what the Illuminati is. Now let's get serious, and let me explain what the Illuminati really is. Make sure you are sat somewhere comfortable so that no one can distract you, because what I am about to say is very important. So, the Illuminati started way back in 1930? You may be thinking, why 1930? Well, if you didn't know already, this was the same year that KFC was founded. And what a better way to start an undercover organization than becoming a massive company that sells Kentucky Fried Chicken. Have you ever wondered why the skin on KFC chicken tasted so good? Well, there's your reason. But why did they choose KFC? Nobody knows. Although the Illuminati's plan was to take over the world with their famous Kentucky Fried Chicken, they had slowly drifted under the radar for a while until 1993. 1993 was the year when Michael Jackson was accused of child abuse. This is when the Illuminati realized that shit was getting real and ought to do something about it. So the Illuminati immediately launched a KFC in Israel as a base for all of their recruits to come together and discuss world order. As of today, members of the Illuminati are being leaked all over the internet. Members of the Illuminati range from presidents all the way to companies themselves. But one last thing that you should know is that I am in the